Business and Beyond, a growth and innovation series, brought to you by Ark One Solutions Incorporated.
I am Nephtali Balo, SAP Business One Solutions Architect from Ark One Solutions Inc., an SAP Gold Partner. Manufacturing enterprises grapple with an abundance of data covering aspects such as material procurement, sales, production, scheduling, and logistics. Instead of navigating through data scattered across various systems, forward-thinking manufacturers opt for ERP software to seamlessly integrate every facet of their operations. In the contemporary landscape, numerous ERP solutions are specifically designed to address the distinctive and intricate needs of manufacturing. SAP Business One stands out as one such option. SAP Business One streamlines project management for manufacturers by integrating planning, budgeting, quoting, material and capacity planning, and time tracking into core business functions. This tightly integrated tool, spanning production, inventory, accounting, CRM, sales, and service management, caters specifically to project-centric manufacturers, suppliers, and service providers. The result is a flexible and seamlessly integrated project management process, perfectly tailored to their needs. Today, the manufacturing sector boasts robust ERP solutions, each with distinct features. Among them, SAP Business One is the top choice for manufacturers worldwide, thanks to its benefits and promising future potential in collaboration with Ark One. Contact Ark One now, because here in Ark One, we've always got you covered.
Business and Beyond, a growth and innovation series, brought to you by Ark One Solutions Incorporated.